Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money using affiliate marketing for beginners for free. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics that are of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. Let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to talk about being an Amazon associate because this is completely free. You can go to Amazon Associates, sign up for your own free account, and you're going to be able to promote any products that Amazon sells, which is a lot of products. But what I would recommend is you pick a niche, an area that you're interested in, because you're going to be creating a lot of content around that particular topic. And you want to pick maybe a niche where people have a lot of problems so that you can solve problems with a product, or your solution is going to be whatever it is you're promoting on Amazon. The three areas that you can make the most money in are relationships, health, and wealth. So there's two ways that I'm going to tell you that you can promote your Amazon link. But before we get into that, let me show you how you're going to find your link. So once you get your account, you're going to go under product links and just click on that. And then if you know the exact name of the product, you can put that in the search box. But let's just say you wanted to sell some sort of well, I'm going to show you here in a second on her blog, but a HEPA vacuum. This is for mold. If you have mold in your house, it's best. Well, HEPA vacuums are good, even if you don't have mold, because it doesn't allow all the dust to circulate throughout the air. Okay, so let's say you're going to sell this vacuum here. You're going to click on Get Link, and then click on Text Only and Short Link. And right here is your Amazon link, and that's coded back to you, so when someone clicks on that and purchases it, you make a commission. So you can see it takes you right to the Amazon page. Okay, so once you have your product and you're going to create content around that product, two ways you can do that for free is to create a blog, and the second way is to create a YouTube channel. So let me show you an example here of someone who created a blog around the health niche, specifically around mold. And I found this person because I was searching for answers to my problem, which was we moved out of a moldy house. We brought all of our stuff with us, which I didn't know. We couldn't bring clothes or any of that. You're supposed to get rid of everything because my daughter still had health issues once we moved into this new house we're in. So I was looking for answers, and I found her blog, and you can see that she has a lot of different topics. I mean, she talks it's so valuable, the information that she gives here. And she even has a contact me, and I emailed her back and forth. So of course I'm going to buy through her affiliate link because she gave me so much value. And that's the thing I want you to know too, is that a lot of people think, oh, I'm just going to promote my link out here and people will buy through my link. It doesn't work that way. I see people doing that on Facebook all the time. They join something, or they just put their link up there and they just think people are going to buy. But it has to be you providing valuable information, solving a problem for someone, and then it's just natural for someone to purchase. So let me show you, like she's talking about how to remove mold in cars, which I didn't even think about that, but hauling things in your car that have mold in them and can get in your car. So you can see all these things right here. They're all linked to Amazon. I think she had, let's see, like a particle mask, detailing brush, HEPA vacuum. That's the one I just showed you. So the other thing about this is when people buy through these links within the next 24 hours, if you buy anything on Amazon, you're still going to make a commission from all the other things too. And most of the time when people go to Amazon, they don't just buy one thing, they buy whatever else they need. So that's really good. And then you can also have on your blog, your Amazon over here, just like she has a certain page with all these things are linked here, and people click on those, buy them, and make a commission. Okay, and then the second way that you can promote your Amazon affiliate link is through creating a YouTube channel. And let's say, I don't think she has a YouTube channel, or maybe yes, she does. Okay, so let's see what she does on here. I'm imagining that she is doing the exact same thing over here, is she is creating content around those topics that she has on her blog. 12 ways to prevent mold.
Hi everyone, my name is Jen.
So this is, and then what she'll do is put a link in the description in her video to her Amazon products. Let me just see here. I think that's what she's doing here. Okay, this is linking back to her blog, but then she has products on her blog. Let me show you some other examples of how you can make money through being an Amazon associate. This person here, ODI Productions, he makes a lot of money through affiliate marketing. This is just an example, one video that he did doing an honest review of this headset. Okay, and then he's got his Amazon links down here. And you can see he has 297,000 views. So he's getting some traffic. I'm sure he's getting some sales. This YouTube channel here, Fight Mediocrity, it's all about book reviews. And it's unique because they have like animated videos. But you can see here that there's a link to their Amazon affiliate account. And this video here has over 6 million views, so I'm sure they're getting some pretty good sales to that. I found this video, which I thought was very interesting, bizarre Amazon product reviews. It's just a funny video, and then they have links down below. And this is one that I did several years ago because I'm passionate about the personal development area. And I did a video about the new Psycho-Cybernetics 21-day plan. And I have my Amazon link down here, and I make sales from that. And that was done, what, 5 years ago, and I'm still making sales on that. So that's really what you're going to do, is just figure out what kind of problems people have and solve those problems for them, whether it's creating content on a YouTube channel or creating a blog and putting your links in there. But it's a great way to make money because it's completely free to become an Amazon associate, and then creating a YouTube channel and a blog completely free. So that's it for this video, how to make money using affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments below this video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you're new, again, if you want to hear more information like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, how you can make a full-time income, click the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.